In this video, I take an afternoon drive on Buice Bridge Rd, heading south to the intersection of Old Alabama Road. Buice Bridge Rd is a heavily traveled north-south road in Johns Creek. It starts out as a 4-lane road in the OC area, but narrows down to a 2-lane road shortly after you cross State Bridge Road. Unfortunately, traffic bottlenecks are fairly common in the 2-lane sections of Buice Bridge Rd. In this route I'm taking, I pass by State Bridge Road, which has several shopping centers in the area. I also pass by Dulvin Elementary School. There are also hundreds of homes in subdivisions and neighborhoods that branch off of Buice Bridge Road. I end my route when I make a left turn on Old Alabama Road. Kick back and relax and enjoy the drive. Here is a Google Map screenshot of my starting and end points of my drive. And this is where I begin my drive. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. And while you're at it, take a look at these videos that I've recommended for you. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.